Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Apple ID you'll use for Apple Music. Once signed in, open the App Store and tap your profile. Next, select Redeem Gift Card or Code and either scan the code with your camera or type it exactly as shown. This action adds the card value to your Apple ID balance. It's necessary because Apple Music charges from that balance. Make sure the device region matches the card to avoid redemption errors. Then confirm the balance update before proceeding. Once your Apple ID balance shows the redeemed amount, go to Settings or the App Store and open Subscriptions to start or change your Apple Music plan. Choose the plan type, individual, family, or student, and confirm the listed price and renewal frequency. Apple charges subscription fees from your Apple ID balance first, then any other payment method, so make sure the balance covers at least the initial charge. If it's short, either add funds or set a backup card to avoid interruptions in playback and library access. Finish by confirming your Apple Music subscription is active and that the payment method lists your Apple ID balance. Check the renewal date and a recent receipt in purchase history to ensure charges applied correctly. If you use family sharing, make sure the organizer's plan and sharing settings are correct. If redemption or billing fails, first confirm the card region and expiration, then sign out and back in, update your OS, and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the card image and receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.